Back up. You got two big old rocks in front of you that you're not going to be able to climb. You can try.
Hey, slow down up front. They're still trying to get over that first obstacle.
We're holding.
Hey, can y'all hold up?
The fuck are you doing? All right.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Hold that line. Slowly, 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 slowly. Gonna hit in the front. Climb it. Go a little passenger. They're right there. Climb it. Slowly. Let it grip. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, turn towards me. Right there, stop. Okay, keep going. Go catch up to them. You're out. Follow that line you're on. Stay there. Keep coming. Keep coming. Little driver. Right there, stop. Come on. Come on. Now go a little passenger. Okay, good. Come on. Come on. Hold that slowly. Come on. Hold that line you're on right there. Stay straight. Little passenger. Keep going. Slowly. 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 Come on. Come on. Okay. Go a little passenger. 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 Right there. Slow. Climb it. Go ahead. You're gripping. Okay. Beautiful. Turn towards me. Right there. Beautiful. Alright, I'm walking up towards y'all.